Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be teaching you how to make this origami penguin. Want to build it? Let's get started. Alright, for this project you will need one square 6-inch piece of origami. Start up, color side up, fold it in half. Now that you fold it in half, you just want to fold. You want to make sure you only have one piece and just estimate like halfway. You want to fold it in half almost. Oh, that's good. Turn it on the other side and do the same thing. Fold. Now you should have this. Now you just want to open it up, and then you want to fold this down, make sure the lines line up, and then you just want to fold it up. Now from here you just want to fold it back in half, and from here you just want to fold the head down right here, about right there. Looks pretty good to me. Fold. Now you just want to reverse fold it. Just about here. Now you should have this. You got the head. Now you just want to finish the tail. You want to fold this down. This should be right about there. It looks pretty good. Then you just want to reverse fold. Push that in. Fold this down and fold this up. Now you should have this. And then to make the penguin stand, you just want to open this up and put it down just like that. And there you go, your own origami penguin. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Turn your notifications. Never miss one of our latest videos. We'll see y'all next time.